everybody, this is Rochelle from Sky Valley Resort, and today I'm super excited. We have a park model home coming in. It's going to be delivered to a site on Wood Duck. So this home has already been purchased. However, if you want one like it, let us know and we can order one for you. Okay, we have a park model coming in. This is really exciting.
Where's it going?
Oh, here it comes. Yep, right here. So Bob, are we putting a patio right here where the orange lines are?
PE right there, a little one.
Oh, it's a PE! That's so exciting. Bob, we got it! Good! There we go. And then this one is gonna have a room built on it, right? It'll be awesome. A PE. Ah, well here it is. And this is where the room is gonna go. Oh, this is gonna be really nice. Wow. How fantastic. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like more information about the homes that we sell here or what we have in inventory, please reach out to us.